Okay, hello and welcome everybody for today's live stream. It's Monday the 23rd of June. And yes, it's another live trading session here on Albertarium channel. I will trade the NASDAQ. And of course, welcome everybody. Hello, please write something in the chat window. Feel free to ask your questions here. It's every week we have Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday live trading, usually on Albertarium channel here. So hello Kaios, hello Daniel, Pink Piggy, Volker, Christoph. Hello, welcome. Actually, I think, who of you is German? Everybody who's German, please write a plus in the chat. And everybody who's not German, please write a minus. No, write an English or an E. An E for English, not a minus. An E for English. Because I think 90% of the viewers currently are German. Anyway, we'll continue and we grow the English market. So what do we have today on the calendar? It's in 25 minutes. We have S&P Global Manufacturing PMI, in 40 minutes existing home sales. Trump had a speak yesterday. Oh, so nice. Okay, markets reacted bullish today in the morning. Sold off heavily during the night. And no, I mean, didn't sell. It's not sold off heavily during the night. Just gapped down. Like you see this first candle here, opened here, and then went straight to the upside. Opened with a gap lower. Gap is closed. And currently, it looks like a range day or move to the upside like last Monday. Okay. So who's? Oh, Pink Piggy, you're not German. Nice. Daniel, of course. Volker is German. Yes, this is a discretionary question, sorry. Everybody feared a bigger reaction, but it's not. I think because the drift from this market is liquidity. Take the liquidity up here. We have a lot of liquidity at the all-time highs, 20,000, 22,427. So this, I think, is the drift where we need to go. I think when we are there, then the question is, will we correct or will we continue? So I want to share something with you, because actually always it's very good to review your trades and to take a look at the bigger time frame and so on. And I think most of you also were there on Friday. And look at this divergence. Okay, on Friday we had a lot of buying, more buying than here on this day, on this actual high. And of course, all these buyers got absorbed. So at this point of time, when we realized this, I didn't realize this at this time. Sorry, my fault, because I didn't zoom out. But if we realize this, it's not a buy anymore. It's like a sell. So actually, we could have sold a lot after the, especially after the 50 minutes candle color is gone, sold heavily to the VWAP. It would be perfect, because I was thinking about why did the market sold off on Friday? Because we had this strong buying, and then later in the evening I zoomed out and I saw, oh yes, of course we have this huge divergence here. So today it's gonna be a range day again, or continuation to the upside. Currently the market is in this above VWAP rotation, okay, and second standard deviation. So we can rotate continuing higher like this. Only if we sell below the VWAP, then it's short. everything above is long rotation, especially as long as we stay. We can also fail the long rotation and just stay here in this volume profile, or no, 70% of the volume profile, value area. That's the word I was looking. Value area on Friday. So what are we going to do today? My bias is still long for today because we saw some buying again here in the pre-market. So we might go there again, get some more liquidity, and then decide again. Let's check the 1 minute chart. Yes, it's a very choppy area where we are now, because we are right there at point of control from today, and of course below this orange line is point of control from Friday. This is the choppy chop area where we might get chopped, and so we need to be a little bit patient, I think, especially on a Monday. So Monday is the first day, trading day of the week. Start small, be patient, don't overdo it immediately at the week, at this starting point of the week. Yes, we have a lot of news at the end of the week. Big news. Oh, sorry. Big news. Why did this come up? I need to quit all this stuff. Big news on PCE on Friday. PCE speaks on Friday. Fed Chef Powell speaking on Tuesday and Wednesday. Yeah. I think everybody is waiting for the summer correction. Currently, sellers got squeezed. Good. So what is your trading direction? Are you long still, looking for long trades, or you think, well, this is, we need to short this one? Oh, 3 minutes before the open, I pull back to point of control of Friday. So this is not the good trading area. Nice buying opportunity will be here, like a little bit below the VWAP. Yeah, this will be nice. Would be nice if we pull back to the VWAP, or I mean, if we release trades to the upside. Let's put this line here at the early session high, electronic trading session high, which is 21,944. 944. Let's put it at 944. There we go. 2 minutes to the opening. Looks like a range market, yes. I think so too. It looks really rangy. Really difficult to trade, I think. Long to value area, high, and see how it looks. Yep. If we go back to value area low, as well, just cautions around the POC, yes. We are there at the POC. let's just see how the other markets are. Everything is green. BTC is, yeah, I think everything is okay today. Nothing big. 859 right before the open. Good luck, Caius. You're right there, 859. It's 865 now. So it is a choppy area here. Point of control of Friday is, we are right there. This is the orange line. Friday's point of control. So I'm not keen to buy or sell anything here. Just wait. I would love to buy below the VWAP again, because then it can be a continuation to the upside, or of course it can be the start of the rotational day and we sell off heavily. But this is what we're gonna see then when we are there. Sellers are coming, pushing this market to the downside. Actually, we can think about a small short trade here. I think maybe we get to the previous lows, 21.77, below the VWAP, 776. I think, wow, we get so much selling here. Okay, yeah. I enter one position in short direction at 837. It's going quite well already. A target might be 775 for this position. 775. Yes, it's already, oh, has open book profits. Nice. Kairos, of course, I think you should have entered your exit your short position, your long trade, but you will manage the risk. So now it's important to continue in short. Okay, we are right at the VWAP here. We are printing a colorful candle on the 1 minute chart. It's a good sign for now that this short will continue to the downside to 775. It's just one contract, okay? John, one contract in short direction, and it goes. I put my stop to break even now. Stop is at 833, and yeah, target is right there. Wow, sellers are coming, pushing. Come on, guys, there's some more liquidity down there. You can do it. Don't stop this. What is it? Like 10 points. Just below the 10 points. You sold right to the VWAP again. Okay. Yeah, we come again. Maybe I size in one more contract if it looks nice here. Oh no, I was too slow. I wanted to size in one more at the VWAP, but I was a little bit too slow with my thoughts. Doesn't matter. It's okay. It's okay. We have more colorful candles coming, staying. Anyway, my target is at 775, and then I'm out for the first trade. Then we see how it goes. Okay, 775 reached, target reached, done. Done. First trade. Actually, it was against my initial trading direction. My initial trading direction was long. So now we reached this low point of liquidity, pre-market lows, and we got also a lot of selling here. You saw this, a lot of selling there. So now the question is if they continue. Wow, look at these shorts. They continue. Look at them. Holy shit. We need to think about short trades, guys. This is now the question. If they continue to trade in short direction, coming a lot. If we print a colorful candle on the 50-minute chart, then which it's time to. Now it is the question, really the question. Will the sellers push and continue? Then we have a short day today. Or if the buyers come back and they will move the price again to the upside, to the early session high 21,944. This is the current question what we are facing here. So this is the current question. Very important level. Actually, this is a good buying opportunity. This was my sweet point of buying, what I discussed earlier, but I am a little bit too, I'm not keen to buy here. Look at the sellers. Yeah, only if we see a lot of absorption. But I did my first trade, one trade, okay, one contract. Doesn't matter. It was nice, and it was 50 points. Entered at 837 and exited at 775. So I'm actually from my head, from my mental thing, I'm focused on one trade and it's done. So you can continue trading. I just rest. Look, the long is going. Wow. They just took liquidity. It's what I love at the NASDAQ. It's a beast. It's a liquidity hunter. Look at this. Woo. Sellers get squeezed. Here, right there. Everybody got squeezed. Is now. Look at this. I love it. So you cannot do it better. Like being 5 minutes in the market and having 50 points, and you're done. Okay, it cannot be a better trading day, a better opening for Monday. It's just okay. It cannot be better. So now actually it's time to go to the beach and come back tomorrow. No, tomorrow I don't do trading, but come back on Wednesday. What do you think? What do you think? Are you you made some profits already? I think it was a little bit too flexible with my short, right? And with my long and not entering. No, it's just the meditational state. You need to meditate. You see the levels. That's what I give you here, some education. And now I stop. I don't trade anymore. We are right at the point of control from Friday again. Right back there at point of control. This is now, if you are in a long position, you can scale out here, like scale out a bit. Or of course continue to the 944. I can check the likes. No, it's 4 likes. Please give me some more likes. It's 8 viewers here. We are getting more and more viewers. Slowly, it's 8. Not 4 anymore. It's 8. And it's good. So So maybe I need to show my trades. I don't know, not showing, I mean, draw them here. How can I draw some? Anyway, we did one short trade from 8. Come on, I already 837. 837. It's here to there. This was the short. Whoop. Pretty straightforward. Just 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes in the market. And then we discussed the long. I was a little bit too scared, or I was done, like with trading more or less. Not scared, I was done. So this was the entry here. This one. Look at this candle. Look at this nice candle. It has a higher volume. You see the higher volume? And you see this reversal candle. This blue one. A positive candle, like a reversal candle. And all the sellers here in this, they didn't move, they got squeezed. And here, all the sellers who got in the market here, got trapped, and now they need to leave, turn their position, and that's where we are snapped back right to the point of control. Yeah, 4 more. So we have 6 likes. Please give me some more likes. If you have any questions regarding the indicators you see here on the screen, feel free to ask any questions. This is also your educational, use this as your educational platform to ask questions. And of course, I also like to see if you're still looking to trades, to entries. I was on the beach all Saturday, still in pain, looked like red carpet. Oh my God, Daniel, you need to use some sun cream. You can check the likes and anyway, yes. So now it will be a little bit idyll. It's around the POC. So I'll do some here some poll. Do you want me to continue trading today? Yes. Okay, we do a poll. Poll. So do you want me to continue trading today? Yes. If this is the question, do you want me to continue trading today? Then we'll do it. Okay, only on a different account as Friday, because that's my rule. One successful trade on this account, I'm done. Okay, we can do another trade. We can do more trades on different account. Okay, yes, no problem. We wait until 29:44. Yes, and we have some news. Don't forget, we have news in 1 minute. News in 1 minute. Everything flat, please. It's news in 1 minute. S&P Global Manufacturing PMI, S&P Global Services PMI. So this can be a non-mover. We are at the point of control of today and close to Friday's POC. Paul has a short O. Yes, I'm sorry. Want me to continue trading today? Yes, I need more trades. Oh, I'm also done. Yes, sorry. Cannot change the poll. Sorry. Thank you, Volker. Next time, maybe you write the poll. It's better. Okay, news out. Let's see if we get some news reaction. No reaction here so far. Then we have in 50 minutes existing home sales. We got just some ups and downs, diddles here and there. Reaction is not there. Nothing. Yes, this is the worst trading area now where we are at point of control. So, hi guys, see, no, I'm also done. 50% is done. Yes, I need more trades. We have 6 votes. Perfect. Yes, I need more trades. And something else right in the chat. Looks like we wait to 21.9 for yes. So I think this can be also like waiting here and doing some more shorts. Okay, wait here, wait until this and try to do shorts. This can be also a pretty nice area back in the range. Back in the range. This can be a nice short. But here, staying here is it can move up or it can test again, move up, or it can stay in this area a lot, which means was on 1545. Yes, 1545. Which news was on 1545? Volker. Here. S&P. Go to my website, etfmax.de. Okay. Go to Wirtschaftskalender. It's German. Okay, I know. And then you want to have the English version. This is the German version with some German news and the German time. But press on the Cyprus map and you see the English calendar, only with the US American dates, no German dates in there. And of course, this is the CY time, Cyprus time, because I use it. Maybe if you want, we can also have some more flags in there. Like here, some more flags, and have some more economic calendars if you like. I can do it, no problem. If you request, I can do it. Maybe an English version in German time or whatever. You can do everything. I had a little loss in a short. May I wait for one more short around value area high? Yes. Yes, this is the one. Wait for one more short around value area high. Yes. It looks like we get this liquidity here. And then we can rotate. Is again the question. We continue to the upside there, or we rotate back to a point of control? This is the question again, what we're facing then. So thank you for your votes. I end the poll and the poll is out and it says, no, I'm also done. 50% is done. Okay, yes. Don't leave. Okay. Stop trading, but don't leave. because we can learn something together. And this is very important. Screen time. Screen time is one of the most important things. And do some demo trading, for example. I also do some demo trading. Okay. I think we are right in this liquidity zone, and I think we are approaching a long trades. So I'm looking to trade long until this level of 944. And I will trade on a different account, not on the one I traded the first trades. And we see how it goes, okay? If you're done, do demo trading. No bias at the 1 minute. I think we take liquidity and continue to the downside. Yes. I think the buyers are still there. So this is normal. If we stay above 885, so this little range we built here, it's still long. We just need some breath. So this can be the trade. Yes. So enter long one at 903. What is it for? Right there. And my stop is very close at 882. Because if we fall back in this range, we have more power to point of control again. But if they can manage to stay up here, then they take the liquidity at 944. This is the target for this trade, 944. And of course, we will see if it works. It is a risk reward of about nearly 2. Okay, we'll see. Yeah. Okay, it goes. So we need to break this previous high. Then we can scale in one more. But it doesn't. Not yet. If we break this previous high, I want to size in. Not yet. It's a little bit slower now. Oh yes, we got it, and the sized in. Just manually clicked. A second entry 919. So average entry is 912 now. Yes, there we go. Yeah. Come on, guys, you can take it. Yes. It's very close. Just continue. So this is a little bit difficult here because we need to manage the risk somehow or take profits. And it is a choppy area. So choppy area. Maybe we need to take some profits somewhere here. We get one white candle. Well, we stay. For now, we stay a little bit like this. It's a white candle approaching on the 1 minute chart. So Daniel has opened a swing long at 850. I think it will be very choppy this week. Like swing trades now is not a very good idea because like swing for many days because there's no real movement anymore. It's a little bit range bound. And market is getting liquidity at the top and the bottom. Yes, once more long at 900, perfect. Caius, small long, because it's very small. It's not going. It's a choppy area here. So we didn't see the colorful candle on the 1 minute chart. Let's see if we saw them for a minute, something like this. Oh no, half a minute. It's the choppy area. Oh, and we have news. Shit. In 4 minutes, we have news. Existing home sales. Okay, guys. In 4 minutes, we have the news. So you saw this drop lower. It is not a very good idea to stay in here. We have the news in 4 minutes. So actually, it's time to leave. Put the target to break even or leave right here. We'll see. Yeah, I put my target up to break even. I'm out with little profit, like break even, a couple of dollars. Yes, we have 2 minutes to the news, and after the news we try to trade again, okay? Maybe we get the news spike. The news spike is this. Take the liquidity, and then we continue lower. Maybe yes. Maybe we get news to the downside and news reaction to the downside to point of control. I think it's more likely to get the liquidity here at this level. But I don't want to stay with an open position through the news. Never ever do it. not at existing home sales. At what do we have? Existing home sales, yes. No, 3-star news. No, don't do it. The market is going in our preferred direction. Okay, we are approaching this. I'm thinking short now. Okay, after the news, we may get this spike with, of course, overshooting thing to 960. And then we have the news now. News reaction is positive. Nice. We are approaching this 960 level. And now the question is whether we stay or not. And whether the big market participants can push to the upside. So I don't want, I'm not, we have one colorful candle here. Close and profit, break even for the day. Perfect. Perfect, Kaios Wong. Short at 949. Yes, nice one, nice entry. Short for 199. If they don't come back now, you are on the right side. Still, they might come back again. I think this is a trade against the move, against the long move. So we have some colorful candles here. White, still white. We took the liquidity. Yeah. So I'm also in a short from 940. one position, and I want to add one more. This stop sell, limit sell above the highs, so above the latest highs at 957. We have colorful candles on the 1-minute chart. It doesn't look that good. Okay, got filled with the second short. Okay, no more shorts here at this point. Average entry is 949. And the target for this one is point of control 856. 885, 857, 856, something like this. 856, 857. Point of control yesterday. Anyway, we're having open book loss and buyers are pushing. So be aware, this is a trade against the long rhythm, a long move what we're having. This is a trade which can be wrong. Can be wrong here. We can be wrong here at this point of time. Okay, can be wrong. We have colorful candles. As long as they stay, move is to the upside. We have the demand, 910. Okay, we're building the range here. Third 1 minute candle. And it's very important if the buyers are pushing now or if they get absorbed. So far, they don't get absorbed. We push. We push to the upside. Yes, we push to the upside. It's a push. Look at this. Oh, yes. Look at this. So short is the wrong direction for now. What to do? Limit the risk. It's the only thing what we can do. Or wait for the turnaround. It's not pushing. We need to limit the risk, right? So I sell one here, scale out. No, I buy one here back, so I scale out. Okay, very important. Scale out. Color size is increasing. And now, I mean, it can also change always, but it doesn't look like it now. It looks bullish. Continuation. Yeah. Doesn't look short at all. Yes, totally right. Doesn't look short at all. Not at all. Don't trade short. Okay. There we go. A little pullback. And now the question is if they get absorbed or not. Good. Yes, that's it. So it is long. Look at this, it's long. Just continues. Strong candle currently. It doesn't look weak at all. Good. So I think we are nearly done for today trading. As always, my focus is on the first trade after the opening. And well, this worked quite well today. Again, like the last days, also it worked quite well. First trade. This is my, I don't know, my mindset, my focus. First trade. One trade here, one short trade. It worked quite kind of good. Then, of course, I missed this move to the upside. I missed it. We traded some long. Actually, I'm not 100% sure anymore where, here, there. With two contracts, exit break even before the news. Then the news reaction came. And now we sell a little bit. Come on, inducement. If they break the inducement, it's already done. Decision order block can be there to sell this move and come back to this smart money trap. Point of control. This can be possible. And VWAP. So if you are still long, or I mean below this previous candle low, when we sell off, then we need to get out, or we can size in for shorts. It's against the trend. It's against the move, of course, yes. Yeah. They are pushing to the downside. Size in. And I want to just limit my loss in this position. So we have the first target at 919. Oh no, it's too far. 929. No, where I entered. My first entry was at 940. So we leave at 940. 940. Yeah. No, squeezed. No shorts here. So now the sellers get back a little bit. But this is now a tricky question. This is still bullish. Still bullish here in this move. It's not bearish at all. So the thing is, you should always focus on what trading style suits you best. As I said, I developed a lot in the last months or years. My first 50 minutes after the open, this is what I developed. from this trading skill, and yeah, it's working. But this here is like a little bit more difficult. It's because of this drifts to the upside, and you need to stay in a long time. So there are still colorful candles. Buyers are trying to push again, but if they get absorbed here, we can also see a failure, and shorts are there. Yes. So my first target for this move, I want to get out, is below this previous lows. This was my second entry, 21,957. And then the other one, 940. So basically target, I read the chat. So basically target swing highs and low where volume is for a potential continuation or liquidity grab. Yes, that's it. Like always the highs and the lows are, there is a lot of liquidity because big market participants or also small market participants, everybody is placing their stop there, or their especially the small market participants, they are placing their stops on the highs and the lows, because these are highs and lows of 15-minute chart or 5-minute chart or 1-hour chart or daily chart or whatever. It doesn't matter. And the NASDAQ is a beast in taking liquidity. So it always in a lot of cases, it goes to these levels and you can trade into them. That's what we do. We trade into these levels. Because this is the fastest way. You don't need to sit a lot. Here we need to sit a lot. We need to sit. We need to wait for the failure. It takes ages. Because it doesn't go. It's continuing in long direction. Okay, again we made new daily highs of today, and also this is a liquidity. Now it's again the question whether they continue to the upside or whether they fail. Okay, so you can also trade into this, or like use this to, if you are thinking of shorts, like take this as your confirmation. But it's not short, it's not going short, it's continuing to the upside. So there's no liquidity grab here, it's a continuation. Only if we fall back below this previous highs, 995, then it is a liquidity grab. So if we want to short, we can short with a stop sell at 994, for example, or a little bit lower, 992, 993, because then it's a failure and we trade again to this value, this area, to the demand, and then potential failure or continuation again. But everything above 993 is bullish for sure. So this is what we can do. We can sell, stop sell at 992. Let's see if it goes there. We see another colorful candles here. Phew. It is short. It is wrong. It is long. Don't trade short, guys. Think of long trades. I'm totally wrong with this read. I'm totally wrong. We have also, we see one colorful candle on the 15-minute chart. It's pushing in long direction. Yeah, pushing in long direction. Like last Monday. Okay, anyway, I think that's it for today. I appreciate your likes. Please like the channel, like and subscribe. And of course, it is also helpful if you might publish this link or the other links in some communities, or tell it to some friends, because this is what helps our channel grow. We want to activate our community and do something good for the traders. So support them with educational content. I wish you good luck for your trades. Tomorrow there's no trading. 21,130. Sorry. Yes, the 21,130. I don't know. Is might be some more liquidity. Yes, of course, up there. Yeah. Friday's high. But this will be really, if they take out Friday's high, it means that these buyers here, they made it. They moved to the upside, and then this divergence, what I told you at the beginning, is done. Okay, this will be very strong. If we make it to 130, I don't think so. I think we stay today rotational, or cannot make it to this high. We'll see. Thank you for tuning in. See you on Wednesday. Wednesday again, same time, same place. And of course also Thursday, Friday. Yeah, take care, watch your risk and money management. Of course, this is one of the most important things, risk and money management. Trade in the direction where the price goes. And we see you in the next trading session on Wednesday. Bye-bye.